My people, no be small thing o. They say for Ebonyi state, no be small kpâi na Fulani herdsmen kpâi for inside Ebonyi state. And the worst thing is that they say that they give the information to the governor of Ebonyi before this thing happened, and the authority of Ebonyi state did not do anything before these people come in and kpâi 10 people in a community, which we are going to bring the video up for you people to watch. My people, all of us see what happened yesterday in the court as Nnamdi stand and defend himself, and which is I'm going to bring the video up for you people that have not watched the video to also watch and see what really happened. My people, what is happening in Southeast today is something that is unbelievable, that the APC in Imo State have something to do with the Fulanis. That is why they are not taking action against the Fulani. Even the governors in Imo State, most of them have something to do with the Fulanis. That is why they are standing up to fight their own people rather to chase the mandate. Okay, let us play the video of what happened in Ebonyi before we come back and continue.
Village in the Kalaha community, and they killed one of our brother called Living is Odo.
Living is Odo.
Yes, aka
Owadiegu, aka Owadiegu. Living is Odo, aka Owadiegu.
Yes.
So today?
Yeah, today. So you can witness the burial.
Yeah, I can witness the burial. I have seen the corpse.
Yeah, so this is what we are trying. We are trying to bury him.
What is the problem of this attack?
I don't know.
You didn't know? Unprovoked?
I don't know. I hope the government have heard what happened on Sunday in Amagu village of in Kalaha community. So today,
which I'm from now.
Okay, today is Amok.
Today is Amok.
Yes, but it happened at farmland. The man went to farm with his
So you people are now living in fear. Since it happened in Amok now at farmland.
You can say
who knows what is going to happen in this now?
You are the one who said it.
Hey, what is the wife of the? Okay. No, good evening. No? Sorry, no. No. Kasia. Ka. So, we are making a gaggy no boy.
Congo.
Okay. Hey, sorry, sorry. I use the government to use. Open anti had the barrier, anti fire this year kita. Go na amuaga, kwamaga na boya. Kita boze amukwe. Kahana chozi bia kita. So mazika isi ko chabandi government o kaharo tunu. Neba unu no kwa na manage onwu no kwa. Ka ya bukwa obuze ndi bia bia ka ko chipu nebu nobi. Mama work ro. Mama work. So I actually the government o ka my family. No bo keseme. Oh, kasien. Oh. Kasien. Oh. Chere onye gbuta
kita mo aka mi so no ye gbu kita no wo so kam je gbana
nebe
na amoku eba
kita se ni mama oku eba
amoku kita le lo nya kita eba kam na Ghana
is no ndo na egbure
ndi Fulani
on dị na chi efi on dị Fulani na chi efi
obucha hi shoto mo wa esokwe mu eso mbo so onye kana azo na achụ na achọkọ kọtọ onye kem na eso ka egburu ya
Onye gụnye soke gburu ya.
Ebe a ka m na-eje kịta ebe.
Chere onwe na-eseburu na ebe a gị na ndị na-efe na chefi.
Ama nweghị ka ekwe na-esere anyị ebe a. Onye ọbụla jere ịchọta ihe ọ ya-eri.
Mba ọ ka ma onwe buru ihe na-eseburu bifo onwe ihe eseburu nu bifo na nefu.
Onwe ekwe. Onwe na-ese. Jere onwe ndị nọta n'obodo.
Onwe ndị nọ n'ebe a na ka anyị garuo n'ebe a.
Gawa n'obodo.
Here at Amago I think Nkala Oga kede ba no dey ya. Amego Nkala. Which local government is this local government? This is the local government of Ebonyi State. We are here as I promised that I'm going to come here and video whatever thing that happened here. But it look as if that so many people have run off from this community. Nobody here. The Okada man that took me here, I think I'm seeing only one woman around. If you look up, you can see only one old woman around here. So I didn't know where they are. So I didn't know how much the damage is too much. But we need to talk to them to know what is going on around here. So, hi God. Ihe mekwa ebe a ka m kwukwu nke beziokwu ezigbo ihe mekwa ebe a ihe mekwa ebe ụmụ Igbo ihe mekwa ebe a. Good afternoon, sirs. I'm media personality si mi Anambra mana abụ m onye Ebonyi State. Abụ m onye abụọ mege. So anyị nwetara na Sunday ka anyị nwetara ihe mere ebe a. So some people na-eme ya chọrọ m ka abịa emebe nọ ndị a na ọ bụrụ ndị a na sị ka m bịa ka m merụ investigation. My good year mere ba personally. I have no with authority na among aja here. So sir, only a country go year mere ba.
Well, here today that on Sunday. So I'm at Kwado Church. So some people are Chagaro Kwado Church. Some people can Asaro. So one woman, she from Ebonyi Nubu. She borrows na all Fulani people. They drew the whole.
It's not Fulani people.
Fulani.
Yeah. Now how you go the whole farm?
The whole farm.
Okay.
So I come and confirm with the woman. So immediately I do the woman. They couldn't the
wow.
After these people buying 10 people, they return back again to buy another person yesterday. Things are really happening and the governors are not using full force on them. But the governors will have the guts to declare war to the ESN and say, go to the bush. If you see them, catch them, buy them. But they are not going after these Fulanis. And you, a gullible Igbo man or a true son of the East, will come outside and start fighting your brother with gun. Why can't you use that opportunity they give as a security? You guys go to the bush and face the Fulanis. My people, let me play you the video of what happened in the court yesterday for those of you who did not watch the video to watch and hear how Nnamdi stood up and defend himself.
He did me something in my case, I accused him, he was conscious official. I asked him to recuse himself. Why did the chief judge insist I must hear it? He left my case.
Okay, listen. If anybody is not happy with the case, which is you, then you need to go and
No, I cannot. Because I have a court order. I have a court order, you have recused yourself. I have a court order. Anybody who disagrees with this order of court, go to appeal court. That's what you tell me all the time. You are conscious official. You cannot preside over this case number again. Not in this life. You cannot. Not now, not tomorrow, not ever. A woman here cannot force this court to preside on my case. You cannot. Not today, not till forever. You are recused and you stand recused. Tell the chief judge, Nnamdi Kanu said, go on appeal. I recused him from my case. The state recused Justice Adema from my case. I did not insist Adema must hear my case. I never insisted. So why must you insist to hear my case? I don't want you in my case. I don't need you in my case. You are biased. You are biased. You cannot be in my case. A woman should do the right thing. A chairman of the board of bankers constitution is impropriety. Nowhere in the world is such nonsense done. You cannot be hobnobbing with lawyers, hobnobbing with justices, and you're proceeding a case. It's shameful. Absolutely shameful. Shameful. This is a court of law. This is a shrine. and I will not subject myself to it. You stand accused and you must take my case. You cannot try me. This man is not paying attention. There is an order of recusal, and he's a senior advocate, for goodness sake. There's an order of recusal. Is that not the rule of law? The law says if you disagree with this, you go and appeal. You are a grown-up man. Because of 300 million, you're behaving like a child. Go and appeal. Because of money. Because of money they're paying you from ATM surface, you are here standing and smoking evil. Because of money. A grown-up man like you say you have to want to behave like a man of honor. The rule of law says you go and appeal. His Lordship Binta Nyako will not try my case. Not on this planet Earth, I'm telling you that now. So stop wasting your time.
So that Paradise, as I said, the view of the past that the defendant has indicated that he will not make a formal application. I apply that the Lordship was a 70-day for hearing.
You are not well. You are not well. I'm telling you, this is God Almighty, not well. This is an order of God. An order of God says Justice Binta Nyako is recused. An order of God. Order she made as an order. The same Chief Justice writing the stupid memo he's writing. I recused him. He was functus official. He sat on appeal. I took him to NJC. I recused him. Why did he not say I must sit on your case? Why in the case of his lordship is he insisting? He wants to embarrass her. He wants to embarrass your lordship by asking her to come and sit on this case. Is that what you're saying? There's an order of, give it to him. He doesn't have it. Give him an order of court. It's an order of court. Give it to him. He doesn't have it. An order, give it. He doesn't have it. It's an order of court. It's an order of court.
I ask your permission to address you.
Everything.
But let me tell the defendant that in everything life, there's need for wisdom. And wisdom is very important in this matter.
And tell him lies.
It is not right for you to be insulting the teacher.
If you insult yourself, I will insult you. If you have no respect for yourself, I will insult you. Because people are telling the law, when it comes to Nnamdi, you turn the law upside down. The law says one thing. If the law says this paper is white, when I go to court, they say it's black. When I say it's black, they say it's white. Is that law? I'm asking you, a senior advocate of Nigeria, is that law? Is the memo from Chief Judge, is memo from Chief Judge sufficient to set aside a court order? The answer is no. Why do you want to change the law in my own case? His Lordship, Justice Binta Nyako, stand recused in my case. Cannot try me. Why don't you get it? Give me your definite date for trial so you can do your mathematics you always do. People without shame. I have here before me for the benefit of Chief because it seems he doesn't know the law. So I will tell him, this is national judicial policy of this country. Please give them a copy each. National judicial policy of Nigeria. National judicial policy. I will tell you what it says. Because you don't know, I will tell you. Talking about memo from the Chief Judge of the High Court. Judicial policy of Nigeria. 1C. I'm reading. Verbatim. In the performance of judicial functions, the judge is subject only to the law and must only consider the law. The rule of law in every common law jurisdiction in the world is that once an order of court is entered, the only way to set aside is by going on appeal. That's the rule of law. But the senior advocate, you don't know. I will go to see. A judge must not take or attempt to take orders or instructions of any kind from anyone, even the chief judge, from anybody that may influence his decisions in the performance of judicial function. It means that his lordship, having entered an order of court, a decision between myself and her,
My people, the prayer point you should be praying this year is, let Nigeria never happen to me. I think that if you live in Nigeria, that should be your prayer point. Because if Nigeria happen to you, you will regret why even coming inside this particular world where we dey like this. Because now prayer we suppose they pray, not be even God to give you food. Pray, may Nigeria not happen to you. That is your best prayer you should be praying. And for those of you who say one Nigeria, Nigeria will happen to you and visit you, that is my also prayer for those who are supporting this evil in Nigeria today. Nobody don't want the betterment of the country. But since we have gotten to this point of no return, the best solution remains, let everybody go to his home and secure and guide his people against the intruders. Share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section.